Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. For this one, we can use about partial fractions. So because we have x to the power of 2, we need to create two fractions related to this one. That is about a over s squared and b over s. So we need to reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. And the last one, that is about s minus number 2. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 2, so capital A multiplied by s minus number 2. About this one, it is missing about s and s minus number 2, so capital B multiplied by s and s minus number 2. About this one, it is missing about s squared, so capital C multiplied by s squared. So this one we need to expand, and we have s squared minus 2x. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, that is about b and c. About s, we have a with s, b with negative number 2. About the numbers, we have negative 2 with a. Now we need to compare coefficients. So this one equals to number 2 because we have s squared and s squared. This one we have s and s, coefficient of positive s, that is about positive number 1. So that means this one equals to positive number 1, and the last one equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So now we can find the solutions of ABC. So this is the answer of this one. Now we put ABC go in here. So 8, that is about negative 1 over 2. B, that is about negative number 3 over 4. C, 11 over number 4. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.